What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. I'm an operator, owner slash lead trader at Option Goats Trading LLC. That's right. We're based out of a Discord. This is our YouTube channel right here. We're still at 100 subscribers. Now, today's date, I'll be quite honest with you. Today is November 11th. As you can see, the last video that I made was back in July 11th. There's a lot of been going on between then and now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making a video every day. You can see on the new layout that I actually have a brand new laptop, so I'm actually going to be rocking through these YouTube videos over the course of the next couple of weeks. Actually, over the course of the next week, just because I plan on doing a video a day, just so we have that. But anyways, so the next video, this video is going to be the swing recap for July 18th and July 25th. Make sure to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video at Option Goats Trading at YouTube. And also go check out our website at optiongoatsllc.com. If you go to the website and hit free membership, this link would take you right to our Discord that looks just like this. And then also an OG Prime membership. If you go to hit any of these links right here and you use the code SPRING30, all lowercase, that would get you 50% off for 3 months. So instead of paying the $60 per month, you would be paying $30 per month. So it would be 30, 30, 30, and then you'd go back to the 60 afterwards. So let's go ahead and check out what we had. As far as the trades that we had from that time, we sold a premium on FFIE. So what that was is that we sold a call vertical spread, which is a bear spread. So we wanted to go down. We sold the 7 call and bought the 8 call. Expiration was 7/22. Premium collected was $6 and max loss was $94. So it does look like we basically cashed out of that trade pretty dang well. So let's go back and see what happened on that day. So Sheeb, okay, so Sheeb was popping during that time. So let's see. So Sheeb's going up. Okay, here we go. So we were plus 83% on FFIE, and then 100% on FFIE will most likely let it expire worthless to collect the full premium. And then it looks like later on that day, FFIE expires a week later, FFIE expires worthless, full 100% gain. So we're able to collect 100% of that trade. So good job there. Really, really happy with that trade. Super, super happy with that one. Now we did have another trade that we had opened up during that time was QQQ. So we bought a put vertical spread. So we bought a put vertical. Whoa, let's get rid of some of this stuff. Okay. So we bought a put vertical spread on just a month. Oh, this is the monthly. I was like, what the heck? Here we go. Okay. So we bought a 280 put. We sold the 279 put. We can probably put this back on. Nice. So we bought a 280 put, sold a 279 put. Expiration 7/29. So we had 3 days left. It was $100. Chance of profit is 10%. That can't be right. See, so this is on 7/26. So this was on 7/26. Right here. Oh, we sold puts. Yeah, we definitely collected full premium on this trade then, because we just kept going up. So let's see. Okay. We sold puts. So we wanted to go up. Do we ever collect on that? I don't see any kind of collection. Okay, so the long, oh, it was a debit spread. That's okay. Yep. Put vertical spread. So we were bear. So we wanted to come down. We thought it was going to keep coming down after we saw this, but it looks like it just kept going up. So we spent $11 because we thought we were going to make $89. So we managed our risk really well right there. Paid $11. Chance of profit was $10. So now that sounds right. And it does look like we added 2 more for an average of $7. Then we added 2 more for 6 for the average of $6. So overall, was that a good trade? Should I have added as much as I did? Probably not, but that's okay. So moving on, looking at some of the other trades that we had, QQQ, HYG. So let's go back a little bit to the HYG trade. Do we even still have that on here? Let's see. So HYG, oh, here it is. HYG, sell the call vertical spread, which is bear, sell the 77 call, and then buy the 78 call for $8.19. Premium collectors $20. Chance of profit was 78%. So let's go to HYG. Only down 10% at H1G. We're coming back. And then it looks like HYG only down 20% at HYG. Currently down 40% on HYG. HY had 2 rejection. If we get a third, it's lights out. And it looks like, yes, we did get it. And then HYG down 0.54 that day, only down 20% on the position. Came down again for a consecutive red day. HRG in the middle of the range will be keeping the spread, and let's see if we get a flush next week. In the meantime, SHIB was absolutely ripping during that time. HYG is below 78 in pre, which we did like. Then it looks like we might end up having to cut for a 30% loss, which it does. It does look like we did, because it looks like we were more red before that. So we ended up cutting HRG. So that ended up being red, but you know what? We went through the whole roller coaster. At the end, we took a decision to cut it, which we did. So we're happy with that one. As far as the other trades that go, let's see. So 7, I think it looks like we double dipped. Nope, hold on. There's a QQQ trade. Okay, and that was it. That was pretty much it for those 2 weeks. Let me just make sure I know what the last day is here. Okay, so July 29th was the last day. So added one more HOH. So it does look like we ended up having 4 for a total of 44, and then we ended up taking a loss of 30%, but it wasn't an 80% loss like it was the couple days before that. So super happy about that. So this was during the time during July when SHIB was going off. So this was during, whoops, let's go back, during right here. So we dipped really low, and then we came back up. This is kind of where the time frame that we were looking at. And our sheet position was doing really well. I'm going to kind of just say right off the bat real quick that we're under 10. Today it's in November right now. But it's gone through this whole like motion of going up and then going down, and it looks like it's going down again. So really interesting to see what exactly is going to happen. The sheet burn rate is still a thing. So let's pull it up real quick. So it looks like we're up 1,347. Total burn, we're still at 410,382. So has not moved too much from there, but it does look like people are still contributing every day to the SHIB. Yeah, wow, 5 billion market cap on SHIB. Like that still blows my mind. How this is not going to, well, I won't say it, but we'll just kind of keep going from here. So next thing we did for the long term during this time, we actually added a pretty good amount of PDT shares. So we added a 65 call for BITO, just in case crypto has its bounce back, of which it is not currently at that point right now. It's actually going much lower. Added another 65 call for BITO for 119 for 2024. Bought 12 more shares of PDT. Super happy about that, because it looks like before we were at 1781, and then now we're at 1793 now that we've added the 12 shares, which is our dividend that we get every month. Super, super nice. We are starting to hit some volatility now. If we're going to skip over to November, it did get as low as, let's see, so this is 2020, so let's go daily. Okay, so it is doing this wave where it's ranging between 16, 17, and then dipping as low as 13, which is kind of the range that it was closer to COVID. During COVID, we hit actually 10. So very interesting to watch and see. But we've been adding a pretty good amount of PDT during that time. So super happy that we're almost to 1,800 shares, and just kind of, you know, heads up that we actually do hit 1,800, and I'll show that more in the other videos. So other than that, not too much happening. As far as trading goes, we had those trades, HYG and FFIE. Both one was buy in QQQ, so we bought a put spread, and then we sold premium that was bullish. And then it looks like we also went with the HYG that ended up not being a successful trade. So make sure to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Make sure to check out our videos if you haven't watched any of our videos. If maybe this is the first time you've ever heard of us, make sure to go check out some of the videos that we have regarding my credit spread crash course, and then also the swing recap, and then also how I look at the 50 and 200 SMA on SPY. And then I also have a debit spread crash course. That was the first video that I made, only because I do believe, you know, a lot of people are like, I know how to buy a call, I know how to sell it, I know how to sell it. But really what you should be doing is you should be learning how to hit spreads. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a licensed financial professional. If you need professional financial help, please contact your nearest financial professional, firm, person, advisor, guy, whoever you want to call it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for checking us out. You can always feel free to reach me on our Discord. My name is Jumanji1776, and it'll say mod in there. If you have any questions, like, Jim, I don't even know what the heck that is. I have zero idea what you're going over. Just hit it up. Really, primarily all we do in this Discord is I share some of my trade ideas. Do they always win? No. Do I explain why I think they're gonna win? Yes. Am I a professional? No. Am I? Do we have other like tools that we use? Yes. Our bot is by Tradeics. So we basically use all kinds of tools that Tradeics provides to us in our Discord. As far as stocks breakout, which is probably like my favorite because it gives a chart and it gives relative volume, momentum, and resistance level, repeated flow, bullish flow, and then like probably my favorite part is that you can use all kinds of different commands. Like, let's say I wanted to see what the net flow of all the option flow of the day is, and that gives you a nice big graph. Maybe I just want to see what the algo flow dividend divisions are, divs, divergences, excuse me, recent algo flow divergences based on the option flow, that you can check that out. And then you can also just do your standard SPY, chart on the hourly, daily, any kind of command that you want to use. We got a lot of new commands I'm going to be showing over the next couple of videos that we have. So this will be a fun, yeah, I'm just excited. You probably can't tell right now, but I'm using a new laptop. I got a new laptop. So I'm really happy that the old one I had, it was on its last legs. And I didn't want to use my desktop yet. So now I've got this fancy laptop to get us going. So a lot of videos to come. Stay smart out there, manage your risk. Remember, don't risk as much as you want, as much as you are willing to lose. Make sure to keep that in mind. Again, check out our website, and you can use Spring30 as a code. Check out our website, check out our YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you didn't get anything out of it, that's okay. Check out the other video. If you have any questions, questions are free. You can always just reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you till next week, or tomorrow, actually. You have a great day and have a great weekend, and stay frosty out there, guys. Thank you so much and have a good one.